How to order Tangem Wallet. Now basically, if you want to order Tangem Wallet, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, if you are new to Tangem Wallet, you first need to have to order the wallet, which is a physical card on Tangem, right? So once you open the Tangem Wallet app, before you scan it, you need to actually order the wallet. So tap on order Tangem. It will take you to this URL, which is buy.tangem.com. Now here you can see Tangem Wallet 3 card set, which is safer, cost you $70. 2 card set, which is cheaper but cost you $55. Tangem ring and 2 cards will cost you $160 or dollars in this case. Now based on which one you want, I usually just go with a safer one. You can select a collection as well, so you can choose a normal one, but a limited stealth one, classic black, limited Bitcoin edition, limited hold your freedom edition, or limited shades of winter edition. Based on what you want, you can add the number of sets that you want. If you have a promo code from anywhere, you can apply them here. You can choose the payment method, whether you want to do a card payment or pay by PayPal or crypto. Once done, tap the pre-order button right here, follow up with your instruction details, etc., where you want the shipping to be, your country, your exact delivery addresses. Tap on continue the shipping, confirm with the payment method, and after a few business days your Tangem wallet or card will arrive at your doorstep. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon, as always, in our next video.